What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb. I'm gonna come in back with another POV. I'll catch y'all there.
I can't ride up in no Charger. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. VTEC engine, 3.2 Acura TL. It's gon' hawk.
So shit, we still gonna make it do what it do. And I'm like, God damn, fuck that. No cap. Disrespectful.
Stupid.
I ain't gonna lie to you, little dog. These little suspension dudes. The suspension dude, low control arm, pilot bushings. Oh shit. You sure? Get out a second. But yeah, man, these poly bushings I installed though, bro. And bees knees, my boy. Everybody talking down on them because of the gappage in between the Listen here. Listen here. I don't care. They still work, don't they? Okay, that's all I want. I want my shit to work. That's it. I don't give a damn what my goddamn suspension part look like when it's working, nigga. The fuck? As long as the motherfucker working good. But that's all I gotta say with y'all niggas though. I'm hot. Windows are gonna be down this video. I'm sorry. But got another Backroad POV today. If y'all are new here, make sure y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. But shit, if you ain't new here, my boy, and you don't be liking the vid, bro, what's wrong with you? Like the vid. But anyways, we on the Backroad today. I was near my old job, so I was like, yeah, let me get some Backroad footage today. The nice little curvatures on the road. I'm not trying to sit through traffic. Well, but this goddamn car turned on. Okay, cool. You heard that chirp, boy? She ain't bullshitting, boy. She is not bullshitting, boy. About to say, like, nigga, we been sitting here for the longest.
That shit hurting.
Yeah, she needs oil. So I can't go too hard in this POV. Because as you just seen, she's reacting to low oil. And that's how you tell your goddamn J-Series has low oil. Foot to the goddamn, it don't want to go all the way, cool. Bitch ain't got all the oil she need. This goddamn front main seal, bro. I'm bro. But yeah, though, that's how you know it ain't no slouch, though. Motherfucker just chirped the tires going in the second twice. Not in a row, but twice. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. But nah, that's just my left front wheel speed sensor. It's getting touched by the motherfucking tire right now. But usually when I turn off the goddamn car, it usually resets the ECU. So I just need to either not extend or wire, just repair it. But yeah though, man, how was y'all day today? I forgot to ask y'all that. It completely slipped my mind. But how y'all got down day today? Being good? That good, my nigga, that good, that good. Goddamn. Shit, my nigga, I had me a great day today. I done sold some merchandise. And I done made some wallet today, my boy. Hold on. Be a shot and need oil though. Hell nah. Look at that pontoon. Saying, bitch. Still rolling. Even on the hiccup. Even on the hiccup, she said it go. Oh shit! Gotta slow it down, bro. God. Jinkies.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
But no though, man, I'm riding clean today. On GTA. But shit, I know that nigga heard that chirp, boy. I know he had to hit that engine. Rev up there. Don't come now, boy. You gonna get your ass burnt. Especially on these little curvy roads. I ain't even gotta give her all the beans. I just gotta lose you. And shit, the curves will fucking do that.
Yeah.
All I gotta do is just keep my shit in the lane and 6 car lengths in front of you, my boy. That's it. As long as I got that, my boy, I'm Gucci. Don't cross the mustard, but shut your bitch ass up. Y'all seen that video? Dude in the canyons in the fucking Lotus. Talking about all these motherfucking rich motherfuckers going fast over the damn yellow line. Bro, shut up. Niggas can see, bro. Acting like niggas all driving in motherfucking London while they in America. Hell nah. That's what I like to call an ass kissing right there. Huh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? But yeah, I need to get shot of some oil for the end of this video. But yeah though, man, I don't understand that. Bro had all the time in the world to go. Pick the most dangerous time to go. Yeah, bro, I'm never coming this goddamn town again, bro. Another little church. Yeah, little shawty needs some goddamn oil. Okay, they moving it out. Yeah, she's throwing me in a limp. Not in a limp mode. She's throwing me into protection mode. Low oil, so motherfucker saying, hold on, hold the phone. We can't do too much, but I still can let you have some fun, buddy. That's exactly what he said. I speak Karese, well, Japanese Karese that is. But let me see if I can get my girl some flowers. Let me see if they got some over here. Shh, don't tell her this where I be getting them from. I be saying, yeah, I just be going out there just picking them. And see if they got some. They got any? No. Oh, damn, they do. Fuck. I hate when they do that. I get on tomorrow then. They may not be going tomorrow. Gotta go. But yeah, though, motherfucker out ain't no bitch. It was just that motherfucker in front of him who was the bitch. And she moving shit. Damn. Yeah, this a girl car. Ain't no nigga car, that's a girl car. Ain't no niggas driving no Q7s. But yeah though, man, got the lower suspension completed. Only thing left to do now was my upper control arm, my axles, and my front wheel bearings. Just to finish off the fronts. Then I'ma do coils all the way around. Not springs, just coil loads. Then I'ma turn around and I'ma flip them so I can go bags. Why not go bags off rip, you might ask? Well, I can get coils for a lot cheaper secondhand use. If I can get them secondhand use them well, not fuck them up, I can potentially sell them for what I got them for. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if I don't abuse them. But, what the fuck? I gotta find some good coilovers for a Steve. I seen some on Facebook Market that had the bushing fucked up in it, but this point, bro, shit. But yeah, back into a choke point, so this probably get edited the fuck out. Cause we got this slow ass goddamn Civic CRV, whatever the fuck, making all this racket up there with a trailer on the back, causing traffic on the back roads. Nigga, you better be going straight. Better not take no type of turn. Bro, why are we stopping, bro? Like, for real, what we stopping for? One motherfucker. Two motherfucker. Three motherfucker. Four motherfucker. But damn though, man, I just knocked this shit the fuck off. Now, I put it back on after I done knocked it the fuck off. I hope it ain't crooked. Get out of the mustard. Nigga, I live in the ketchup. Leave me alone. Fucking grown ass man. Trying to tell another grown ass man about what the fuck he should do. Nigga, shut the fuck up. This is where I usually start my wind up, but 4 car links, bro, hell nah. Not with this oil problem, nigga, no. As soon as I get to goddamn, hell nah, I ain't even gonna try it. Somebody else passed, hell yeah, but I ain't. And there was a good ass shot too. Damn. Nice shot of adrenaline. Damn, man. Weak ass motherfucker done fucked up the clip. But yeah though, man. Probably about to get off here.
If y'all did like that video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
Niggas ain't fuckin' with me and they know. Black out the wood tryna load up and blow. I'm the little nigga who pushing them low. Not in my pocket, a Glock on the road. Pull my eyes, go visit the bank.